there's environment gaps where people want to do the right thing, they're ready, it's there, but there's something about the environment that's not working for them. We've trained people on this method for patient-centered care, but then we make the bureaucracy so overwhelming that we can't deal with it. Actually, the phone example is a good one there too. We can try to teach people the habit of unplugging their phone, but I've noticed that my phone now does this thing where it slows down the charging to target a particular time overnight. If I plug it in at night, it tells me "Well, it'll be charged by like 6 a.m." And so what they've done is they've actually fixed it on the technology side rather than trying to build the habit into me of not leaving my phone plugged in overnight where it's fully charged. And that's actually probably a more reliable method for it. So when are there times where we can fix the environment and the system rather than trying to fix the person to make things work better?